Welcome to another Monday Minute with me, Coach Nick, and Intelligent Endurance. This week we're going to talk about a pretty hot topic that I've seen in coaching lately, and that is the chamois pad in your shorts and chamois cream. We're going to talk about three things today. First, chamois pad. Two different types of pads, generally speaking. You got your road short along with your mountain bike short pad. It's going to be a lot bigger, larger surface area, possibly a lot thicker, possibly multiple densities to this short. Then you're going to have your triathlon pad, a lot smaller, not as thick, probably just one density across it, could be made of a felt material. With cycling and mountain bike shorts, usually the more expensive the short, the better the pad, the better the stitching, the better the seams. With the triathlon shorts, you don't necessarily get a different pad as you buy a more expensive short, but you definitely get better seams and you definitely get better stitching. The chafing that comes along with cycling shorts is usually due to all of the material with the pad and the way it's interfacing with your body. On the triathlon short, it's much more about how the seams interface with your body. Now, there are a lot of different types of chamois cream out there. Number two, chamois cream comes in tubs like this. It comes in tubes, kind of like a toothpaste container. Don't confuse the two. As long as you're paying about $15 to $25 for your chamois cream, you're getting a good product. And really, if you're finding it at your local bike shop, it's going to be a good product. So, number three, should I use chamois cream? Well, that really depends. Are you having issues on your rides? Are you seeing a lot of chafing? Are you seeing saddle sores? Are you seeing, rash type symptoms after your rides? If you're in cycling shorts, definitely not a bad thing to try your chamois cream. You want to apply that chamois cream along the sides, ridges, along the seams. You just want to create a buffer between your skin and the short connected to the saddle. It just helps reduce the friction. Now with the triathlon shorts, because it's made to dry out real quick, because it's made to get wet, chamois cream isn't going to help as much. That's because the issues you're going to have with the triathlon short are usually going to be very specific to the seams of the shorts, not so much the pad. There really isn't much material on the pad to cause a problem. So, if you're in a triathlon race, it's not a bad idea to apply some chamois cream to the pad before you get in the water, but I do not suggest applying any cream after you get out of the water. That pad is already wet, that short is already wet, it's already found a place on your body where it wants to sit. You do not want to be moving that around and readjusting things once they're already soaked and skin tight. You could cause a lot more problems then. If you find your triathlon shorts cause you a lot of issues with chafing or saddle sores, it's probably that you need a different pair of shorts, not chamois cream. The chamois cream can work kind of like a Band-Aid to fix the problem momentarily, but the real issue is that your shorts just don't fit your body very well. All different brands use all different styles of pads and different types of stitching and seams. It would be worth trying something different the next time you can. That would be the best course of action. So, to recap, two different types of pads. Bigger, thicker, more material on your bike shorts and your mountain bike. Smaller, less surface area, more about the seams on your tri shorts. Lots of different types of chamois creams. Comes in solids, semi-solids, tubes. There's men's specific, female specific, kinds that have cooling sensations. They all work. It's all a personal preference, really. You just try one out, see if you like the way it feels. And then lastly, should you use chamois cream? Well, it definitely doesn't hurt on your bike shorts. It can definitely help there. With your tri shorts, though, it's a Band-Aid. If you still have issues, even on just regular riding, it's definitely worth checking out a different pair of shorts to fix that problem. All right, guys, that's it for chamois pads and chamois cream. See you next week.